Now you can see that here we can go to contacts. This is a mail. Google search. This is a mail. 9 dots are there. Mail. If you want click it, your mail is going to be open. Images, if you want, you will get open. But here we require to go to this 9 dots. There we have contacts are there. Contacts. Go to Google Contacts. So Venkat mail ID contacts are all are appearing here. So labels are appearing here. Admissions one file is created. That is I am going to delete now. So I'm creating new one. Okay, so nothing imported, no labels are there, no folders are there. Now I want to add multiple contacts. Before that I need to get a CVS CVS file. So one Google format sheet I want to create. So what I am doing is any one number I am taking. This is a file. This I want to export to create a file. So I am exporting Google CSV files. So like this I am exporting. This file is created here. I am opening that. This is a file as per Google requirement. We have to add the name here and phone number here. This is a phone number where we have to add. So here phone number should be added, here name should be added. This is a format we can get from the Google. So here I am deleting all the names. I am deleting. So name is there. There I am going to click it, and I am taking our Excel sheet. Whatever the work is assigned by our college, I am taking that assigned sheet and copying these phone numbers up to Venkat, total Venkat phone numbers. So here to here I am taking phone numbers up to the end of this, up to here. After taking this, after copying this, what I am doing is I am going to Google Excel sheet. So name is there. I want to add here phone number. So phone number, go to the phone number. This is a phone number where it is to be located. Now go to paste the values. So here you have to click it. So all the phone numbers are added here. So name, now go to the name. For this one we have to give one name. This also not required, you can delete this one. If not, keep it like that only, and go to the name. Here you create one name. So Venkat is saying that V1 V2 like that you want to see. So V2 like V2 it is created, and up to 300 names it is moving. So up to 300 names, and as this is file is created, this file save as desktop Venkat contacts final to upload final. So because already one file is there, that's why I am making separate. Now go to Venkat mail ID and create contact here. First go to create contact, create multiple contacts. You have to select the family, you have to create here. One family means already our families are there, so we are creating a new label. Remove this and keep like this. Admission, some admission 300 numbers. So not 300 admission, 300 ADM, some name we can give it. So label is created. Go to the label is created. So select the label and import the contact. So go to 300 name is there, select the file. This file you have where Venkat final, Venkat contacts final as we saved. So adding, import. So now for this Google it is going to be imported. So all the names has come to Google Sheet, the same names you can see in your mobile also. Like this you can add mobile numbers, these unknown mobile numbers, to your phone. From there you can do it. So maybe may not, the order may be shifted because of some Google format, it is going to be up and downs, but 300 numbers are definitely present in your contacts. You can see that how many numbers are there, you can see also. So here at ADMN 300, see 300 numbers are there. Like this you can see, you can take. So this is a process you have to follow. Later you can check your mobile to find out whether mobile numbers are added or not.